In an office, all documents are required to be printed on a letter size paper, which is 8.5 inches by 11 inches, with a 1-inch margin on all sides. What is the area in square inches of the portion of the paper where printing is allowed? Assume that printing at the back of the paper is not allowed. So, meron kang bond paper or paper. This is 8.5 times 11. And then meron kang margin, no? All sides. So, yung printing area mo daw is, again, ito lang yung printing area mo. So, what will be the dimensions of that one? So, ito, 11 minus 2, meron ka na lang 9. Tapos ito, meron kang 6.5. So, just multiply that one. 9 times 6 is 54 plus 4.5. That gives you 58.5. That's letter A. Number 19. In figures 1 to 4, figures 1 to 4 indicate a certain pattern about the number of line segments whose endpoints are on the circle. If the pattern continues, how many line segments will there be in the 8th figure? So ito, meron kang, remember, we need 2 points, no? To form a segment. Yan. And then dito, we have 3 points. We actually have 3 segments. So, if you remember your combination, diba, it's just like, tawag nito, a combination of how many points are there, and then we are going to choose 2. For example, ito, meron kang 2, choose 2. Alright? Ilang groups of 2 ang makukuha mo dito? 1, di ba? So, meron kang 1 segment. Dito, this is 3, choose 2. Meron kang 3, di ba? Dito, meron kang figure 4. So, meron kang 4, choose 2. So, this is just 6, tama? So, ano bang formula ng ating tawag nito? Combination, di ba ito yon? N minus 1 over 2. Alright, for example, ito, meron kang dalawang points. So, this is 2 times 2 minus 1 is 1 over 2, which is again 1. The same is true dito. Meron kang 3. So, 3 times 2 over 2, which is again 3. 3. Ito, 6. So, meron kang 4, 5, 4 and then 3 divided by 2. That is 6. So, kung meron ka daw 8, so ang gawin mo lang is 8. Dito ko lang ilagay. 8 and then 7. Kasi nga n minus 1 over 2. This is 5628. That is letter D, yung ating number 19. Number 20. Figures 1 to 4 indicate a certain pattern of square tiles. If the pattern continues, how many shaded square tiles will there be in the 10th figure? So dito, meron kang 3 by 3 and then meron kang isa sa loob, no? So yung shaded na tile is just 8. So meron siyang 3 squared minus 1 squared. That is just again 8. Dito, meron kang 4 by 4. So meron kang 4 squared minus 2 squared. This is 16 minus 4. 12, di ba? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So meron kang 12 na shaded. Dito is 8. So sa figure 3, meron kang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 squared minus 3. Tawag nito, squared. And then that is what? 25 minus 9, that's 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, pagdating sa 10th figure, ano mangyari dyan? Meron kang 10th figure. So, plus 2 ka lang. Di ba? Plus 2 lang. Kasi nga, yung first figure 1 mo is tatlo man yan. Alright? 1, 2, 3. So, ang figure 10 mo will have, tawag nito, 12. So, meron kang 12 squared minus 10 squared. 144 minus 100, yung shaded will be 44 only. Do we have that? That's letter C.